Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Timetec Premium Sata 6 GB a second, 512 GB solid state drive. I can't find it in the regular Amazon, so this is what it looks like when I ordered it. It says Premium. It says Performance Max, and that's all the benchmarks for it. And today we're going to be unboxing it, and that's the package it came in. I'm just gonna open it. Let that fly off. And ooh, that's it right there. No protection of almost any sort. Now when I install this, I'm not going to do all those benchmarkings. I'm just going to copy a file over and see how fast it goes. In this case, it's good to use for something else, and that's what it is on the back. Electrostatic bag. Oh. And this is the laptop I'm going to install it in. And this is the one where my original hard drive died. And I replaced it, but I figured if I'm going to replace it with a better drive, this is the way to go. Okay, there's all my screws there. Alright, and we're gonna open it since there's no way to pop it down there. Can't get at the drive like the old laptops. Well, this should suffice. Yeah, got under. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I can't get this one screw out. Don't know why. Okay, oh, there it is. Okay, now before we go anywhere, we don't want to destroy the keyboard or the touchpad. There's this little ribbon under here. It needs to come out. Where did I just go? Right here. Yeah, that's it right there. And this is one of those, you lift up the bars and it comes out, or you slide it. I really forgot how to do this. I think that one did. So this one might be the one that comes out. There it is. Mm, mm, I might have cut that. Oops. Not the first time I've done that. Hopefully it's fine. Alright. All the screws magnetized to this. Okay, now this has to come out. Okay, so this has to come out. Then this has to come out. And this is also needs to come out. This whole piece comes up. Oh yeah, this has to come out too. And I lost the screw. And this comes out. Where's that screw? And then this is the power. Okay, now this. Where did that screw go? Nope, there it is. There's the screw hiding. Okay, now we need to get this off. And then we need to get it out of this. So this is how it comes attached, and that's where it comes out. One screw. Two screw. Three screw. Four screw. And that's my old drive. This isn't the one that broke. This is just a temporary replacement. Now we're gonna pop open this bad boy. And it's pretty like compared to this. This thing's like nothing. This is like 2 pounds. Okay, now we're gonna have to install this into this. Okay, now that's attached. Now we gotta reattach this in there. Now we need to reattach this. Not promising I'm putting the right screws in the right place, but they're getting there. So that goes in there. And that goes in there. And that goes in there. Now this has to go on top and lock in. Then press and hold that so it doesn't move. Hey, there we go, nice and snappy. Now this has to go in back into here. In there. Okay, and then you close that bar. Now back to this laptop touchpad. So, and this has to go back on like this. And this has to go in. Oh, come on. Okay, so that is the latch bar, and that's locked into place. Now we gotta bring in the touchpad in there. Yeet. The amount of things I fix, you'd think I'd have a pair of pliers that would put this in. Well, at least the microphones are still working. Oh, I got it finally. Oh, that took forever. Okay, now we're gonna seal you up like a Christmas present. Silly me, I think I forgot to connect. I'm only gonna open up a small section. Ah, what the hell did I do to my screwdriver? Well, so much for opening the small section. Of course, I forgot the cable. The cable. Oh, I don't. I don't want to dismantle this whole thing just to get that cable. Come here. Come on. Get over here. Get. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna try this again. Well, we're gonna find out before I assemble the screws. Where's my USB drive? And I want to install Ubuntu, but I'm familiar with the Windows. Oh, yay, it's set up. Alright, now the moment of truth. Yay, my favorite apps. Okay, we're gonna do a quick. We're gonna copy Windows 10 to the desktop. Come on, come on. Hey. Yeah, done. Okay, that's it. There. That's how fast our drive is, 80 megabytes a second. I've installed Windows and it didn't take forever to do it. Thank you. Have a good night.